Hello po. Yeah. So wait lang tayo ha. Mga ilang minuto lang. I'll wait for a few seconds. Hi, Aaron. Yan, 30 na. Hello po sa mga followers ko. Hi, Angel. Hi, Anto, Ellie. Ang hirap naman banggitin yung pangalan mo. Sir Villar. Yeah, hi, Alma. Hi, Amy. And hi, Rosario. Hello po, Ros. Sir, Madam Bian. It's Ruby. O, yan daw si Ruby. So we have 177, 194 watchers. Okay, so wait pa tayo daw. Wait, yan. Kailangan daw madami kayo. So, entertaining ko muna kayo, yung mga nanonood dyan. So, today is Friday. So, galing po ako, kadarating ko lang po, I went to Manila to receive an award. Because I was given an award, ito po yan, the Tambuli Media Award. It was awarded to me today for exemplary service to the Filipino nation in the field of scientific and medical breakthrough and philanthropic community service, a dedicated and committed Christian leadership. So it was given on the 17th day of August in the year of our Lord Jesus Christ. So ito po yan. Kaya wala po ko kanina. Wala po ko kanina nung ako po ay nire-raid ulit ng FDA. Okay. So the FDA came here today po at around, what time sis? Around 1 o'clock. So mga ganong oras po kasi nasa Manila po ko. So they were saying, they gave me a decision. Nung nagpunta po sila dito nung last time, so they gave me a decision right now saying that hindi daw po ako nakapag-respond within 10 days. Kasi po ang FDA po, pag pumasok po sila dito, they will raid you and they will give you time to explain your side. So I was given 10 days to explain my side. So nagpunta po sila dito, they are claiming na hindi daw po ako nag-respond, okay, within the 10 days. So they want to padlock my entire facility. They brought 50 armed policemen. 50 po. CIDG, PNP, FDA, nandito na po sila. Okay. And we are trying to tell them, no, we responded. In fact, ito po yung ano namin sa FDA, yan po siya, acknowledgement receipt. And this was received on August 6, 2018. Ayan po. So ayan po siya. Okay? So pinapakita po namin sa kanila to when they came here. Hindi po sila nakikinig according to my staff. They still wanted to seize everything. And I told them, just makipag-cooperate lang kayo. Okay? Lahat po ng patient nanginginig, even my staff. Lahat po sila nagtatago. Nagtatago sila, they do not know what to do. So yun po yung nangyari kanina. Kinausap ko po ang FDA, nakikiusap po kami. But they said that hindi po nila talaga pinakikinggan ito. Ang sabi po nila, hindi daw po nakarating to sa kanila, which is another lie from the FDA. Ayan po, meron po kayong receive dyan. Nandito din po yung answer po namin sa FDA. Okay? Ito po siya. So yan po yung mga nagrereklamo sa akin. Yan po yung mga presidente ng 5 medical society na nakikipag-away po sa akin. Yung isa po dyan is dati pong Director General ng FDA. Siya po yung nag-approve ng Dengvaxia. Okay po. Sa mga patient ko po, sa lahat po ng mga nakikinig sa akin, ang gusto ko lang naman po ay makatulong. Nakikipag-cooperate naman po kami sa gobyerno. Pag sabi po ng gobyerno, kumuha kayo ng LTO, kumukuha naman po kami ng LTO. Now with the CTR, matagal po kasi ang proseso dyan. Kailangan pa pong dumaan yan ng DOST, kailangan pa pong dumaan yan ng stability testing, ng lethal dose, and it takes a while. At sa FDA po, it takes around 6 months. 6 months po yan. Pagka naano yan na 6 months, paso na yan. That's according to my FDA person, yung nagpa-process po ng aking FDA. So, ang nangyayari po, so since tumatagal ng tumatagal, napapaso. Napapaso po yung mga pinapasa namin. So, I have to pass again. Okay? Hindi po sa ayaw namin makipag-cooperate. We cooperate. We pay our taxes. In fact, we have 200 employees here in Dr. Farah Natural Medical Center. And we have a lot of construction going on. Lahat naman po yan ginagawa namin. Kasi hindi po namin kagustuhan na makipag-away kanino pa man. So, sa amin lang po, sana fair lang. Sa mga patient ko po, wag po kayong mag-alala. Hindi po ako magsasarado. Pwede po nilang isarado yung buong facility ko, but they cannot close my mind. Lahat po ng invention ko, it's all mine, and no one can take that away from me. Sa akin po lahat yun. So, kahit anong gawin po ninyo, hindi po ninyo ako mapapasarado. Yun lang. Gusto ko lang po ninyo malaman. Yes. Okay. So, doon po sa mga na-late. Yes, Madam Teresita, na-late ka na. Si Madam Sharon, si Madam Imelda. So, today po, again, ulitin ko, wala po ako noon nire-raid po ng FDA yung facility ko because I was getting an award from Herald Forum. Ito po siya. For my exemplary service to the Filipino nation in the field of scientific and medical breakthrough and philanthropic community service. So habang tinatanggap ko po to, ako po ay nire-raid ng 50 law enforcer, PNP, CIDG, lahat po sila may mga Armalite. Para pong meron po akong dito, prostitution den or meron po akong drugs. Wala po, sorry. Hindi naman po tama yun. Sa totoo lang, kung mga ganun lang naman dapat, hindi naman parang overkill naman na dadala ka dito ng 50 na law enforcer, tapos ang dami pandala-dala na malalaking, natatakot yung mga patient, So lalo na, this is the most vulnerable time in their life, And I want you to know, kung sino man po ang nakakakilala kay Pangulong Duterte, Pangulong Duterte, I really believe in you. Sa totoo lang po, I'm one of your cheerleaders. Although I cannot really protect you kasi hindi naman ho ako politiko. But I'm a scientist. I'm a medical doctor. And I gave you po a couple of days ago, nagbigay po ako sa inyo ng letter. And that letter is a letter of intent for me to be the Department of Health Secretary. So kung pakikinggan niyo po ako, Pangulong Duterte, kung gagawin niyo po akong DOH Secretary, tatanggap lang po ako ng piso sa buong taon. Pero since ginanito na rin lang nila ako, hindi na po ako tatanggap ng kahit ano. I will give my services for free for 1 year. Kung hindi po kayo satisfied sa aking pong services as Department of Health Secretary, I will resign anytime. Pag may nakita po kayo na hint ng corruption, magre-resign po ako. Yun po ang panawagan ko kay Pangulong Duterte. Kung nakikinig po kayo, Pangulong Duterte, again, sana po makita niyo po yung aking letter na pinasa ko po sa inyo that I will not accept a single peso to be the head of the Department of Health. And I promise that within 1 year po, I will fix everything. Aayusin ko po, pati po yung mga Dengvaxia victims. Okay? Lahat po yan, aayusin ko po lahat yan. So sana lang po nakikinig po kayo, Pangulong Duterte. Hello, Del. Hi, Madam Malu. Yes, I will fight. Madam Anne Marie. Okay. So, tatanggap po ako ng mga katanungan. Hi, Ate Merlin. Okay. For you to know po, ako lang po ang kaisa-isang doktor sa buong mundo na nagbibigay po ng money back guarantee for hypertension and diabetes. And I have a 96% rate of survival for prostate cancer, regardless of what stage it is. So, yeah. Salamat po, Madam Gigi. Thank you rin po. Ma'am Leia, God bless. Dr. Farah watching from Davao. Madam Julieta, may be able to go, to get through this soon. Salamat po, salamat po. Madam Arlene, yes, hello po from Quezon City po. So, yeah, overkill. Yeah, Sir Niero, it was an overkill. Imagine 50. Tapos may dala-dala silang mga high-powered gun. So, hindi naman tama yon. I think it was wrong. Lalo na nasagot naman. Yun ang kinakainis ko was, and I told them when they were raiding, kasi I was in the phone, sabi ko, kung pwede, huwag niyo masyadong ina-agitate yung mga patient ko. Kasi kawawa naman sila, may sakit sila, hindi naman sila sanay sa mga ganyan. Ako okay lang kasi sanay na ako, ilang matagal na ako nakikipag-away sa mga ibang doktor. Pero not the patient, not the patient. Lalo na nung pinapakita namin yung acknowledgement receipt, ayan na sinagot naman namin, bakit hindi nila tinitingnan? Bakit hindi nila kami pinapakinggan? So, sana Pangulong Duterte, kung naririnig po ninyo ako, sana naman po, sana naman po. Opo. Sir, ay Madam Joy. Yeah, I'm so sorry po. Ito po sa mga patient ko, okay? Para po maintindihan po ninyo. Majority po ng mga patient na pumupunta po sa akin, they are stage 4. So sometimes po, pagka napunta na po sila sa akin, minsan wala na din po akong magawa. Meron naman pong mga stage 4 na gumagaling, pero marami din pong mga stage 4 na hindi gumagaling. Ang pinakamaganda ko po talaga is prostate, yun po. So meron pa pong mga ibang karamdaman na ginagamot natin, pero it's still a process. We still have, kasi natural medicine here in Phil is still a very young medicine. Bago pa lang siya. Hindi pa siya wala pa po tayong mga masyadong research. When you talk about natural, dito sa bansa natin, but when you go to other countries, they have a lot of research. They have a lot of research with regards to natural medicine. Pero dito sa bansa natin, hindi pa siya masyadong accepted. So marami ka pa rin talagang nakakaaway, marami ka pa rin talaga mga tao na hindi naniniwala. But for those, yung mga simple things like chronic diseases, diabetes, hypertension, even acute illnesses like cough, mga wounds, there's a cure for this. Meron po natural medicine can offer something good for all of you. So I hope na the government will give us, the support. Okay, kung hindi man po yung support, sana wag lang yung harassment. Harassment na natatakot lahat yung mga tao, natatakot lahat ng for doing what is they think that they believe is right. Ginagawa naman nila yung sa tingin nilang like me, I believe that what I'm doing is right. So sana naman, kahit hindi nyo na kami suportahan, basta pabayaan lang po ninyo kami, wag na lang po ninyo kaming ginugulo. Yun lang po ang pakiusap ko. So, Madam Dana Velasco. Okay. Which one? Okay. So again, this is in English daw kasi pinag-i-English nila ako. Sir Jack. Oh, Sir Jack. My extremely sexy, handsome husband. Yun lang. And kasi my sister-in-law, Ma'am Tara, I love you so much. When I wasn't here, Nako, para siya si Jesus Christ. Everyone left. Everyone left her. And she was, so sa inyo po, kung pwede po palakpakan, kung makakapalakpak kayo, palakpakan niyo po siya. And she was a great help today. So I really appreciate her. Biro nyo ito, nag-iisang babae, 50 police enforcers came here, 50. Tapos siya lang po, and then she was able to handle everything. How about you?
No, it's certainly overkill when you're talking about sick, frail patients who are coming here trying to get better, and you feel the need to send all these armed special forces operatives in here in full camo with M16s. What are you expecting to find? I mean, we're a small little medical clinic out here in Tarlac province. It's curious that we get so much attention, but I know why we do get so much attention, because so many patients come here to my wife and so many of them get better. And when you're talking about big pharma and big medicine, that's bad, very bad business for them, because there are a whole lot of patients who come here who no longer buy medications from big pharma because they don't need them anymore. There are a whole lot of patients here who've come here suffering from stage 1, 2, 3, 4 cancer, who don't have it anymore. It's undetectable. And again, when you're talking about you're selling chemotherapy, which has a documented effective rate of about 2 to 3%. When you're seeing so many patients come to Dr. Farah and get healed, that's really, really bad for the chemo business. That's really bad for the radiation business, very bad for the surgery business. And understand, all of them are businesses. It's the healthcare business. What my wife chooses to practice is a Philippine variety of medicine, of natural medicine, using Philippine herbs, Philippine plants. I mean, my kids are Filipino. My wife is Filipino. I'm proud to live in the Philippines. President Duterte is my president. And I love what we do. I love how we help people. And anyone that would try and stop that, it makes no sense to me. My wife applied as DOH secretary or FDA secretary, whichever President Duterte would see her as a better fit, simply because, like he said just a couple of days ago, the corruption here, unfortunately, is endemic. And he's considering leaving office because of it. And that makes us sad, because the thing is, it doesn't have to be that way. We can all choose to do better. We can all choose to be better. It doesn't have to be that way, especially when it comes to healthcare. Patients deserve to have choices. There are many branches of medicine which we don't personally agree with, but we make sure, rather, my wife makes sure that patients are educated on their options. You know, that they'll have truly informed consent regarding any procedure they're going to want to undergo, whether it be a conventional or like what they say my wife practices, alternative. And alternative to what? You know, the natural medicine she practices is steeped in deep science. Like, for example, if you look at the United States Medical Library, Public Health Library, you'll find when it comes to turmeric, there's over 4,000 studies done on turmeric. So how is the use of turmeric non-scientific? Does that make sense?
Yes.
You know, it's just we're not going to be intimidated by these type of hooligan tactics of sending in a bunch of armed, personnel, claiming you didn't get letters from our attorney. Come on, our attorney is Sig Fortune. I mean,
it's not true po. It's not true that we didn't answer them. We answered them. Ito po.
We always comply.
Ito po yung answer namin sa kanila.
We always comply.
Okay.
Like for example, regarding Boston C, people want to say, well, is it safe? Well, it's got over 16 years of clinical data. It's very safe. It was tested at UP Diliman and found effective against half a dozen different cancer cell lines. That's documented. It was tested at St. Luke's and found to be incredibly effective against cancer cell lines there. These are inconvenient truths the big pharma doesn't want you to know, but I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you. You know, we're not beholden to them. We're not interested in pharmaceutical cash.
And it's also tested in the OST, in the
Tested in the
Department of Science and
It
Technology.
was presented at the World Health Organization years
So,
ago.
Yeah, so what they are saying is, you know, the product is good and it's 100% Filipino made.
Totally Filipino made.
All the products that I made, okay, they are all 100% Filipino made.
With Filipino
Okay.
intellectual property.
Okay. So, kaya lang po siya mahal because yung raw materials, we have to get it also from other country. So, syempre, nandun na rin po yun, talagang nagmamahal na po talaga siya. So, what's happening right now is harassment from FDA. Pero ano naman po, I'm glad that this happened. Sa totoo lang po, masaya po ako na nangyari ito.
David versus Goliath now.
I'm,
It's on.
Yeah, I'm very happy that this happened. Kasi unang-una, I have a reason to sue FDA. I have a reason to sue them. Yeah. So, thank you FDA at pinuntahan niyo po ulit ako.
We couldn't have done it without you. We want to thank you, Sheree Puño. Your first name is so appropriate for you. Sheree.
Okay, nagbibiro lang si Sir Jack. Okay, so mag-hello po muna ako. Sir Dennis, hello po. Sir Paterno, Angela, Sir, Madam. Hi, Ate Bebs! I love you, Ate Bebs!
Oh, and by the way, we're not closing.
Yeah, we're not closing.
We're not closing.
Hindi po ako
No.
magko-close. Yeah.
My wife is a medical doctor in the Philippines, has a right to practice a profession. You know, so I'm sorry. Anybody wants to come here and try and go beyond their jurisdiction, like FDA just did, like DOH did, 2 weeks ago. Sorry, we have laws here in the Philippines, and no matter how powerful you think you are, these laws have to be followed by everyone. There's no special treatment here.
Okay, so I'm just gonna answer some questions about CKD, chronic kidney disease. Maganda po dyan, baking soda. So 1 teaspoon 3 times a day. Magpa-creatinine po kayo after 2 weeks. Ano po? So kanina po may nagtatanong po sa akin about hypertension. Okay. Magic oil. Meron po akong invention, magic oil. 1 to 2 tablespoon, 5 or 6 times a day. Hindi po kayo madidisgrasya. Maganda po siya. Thank you po, Madam Merlin, for Dr. Afara. You are a blessing. Thank you po. Salamat po.
She is.
Yeah. Yeah. But I want you to know that I'm not against, not really against synthetic, but I'm more into natural. I prefer natural medicine. Kasi kung gusto ko pong nag-synthetic, nagsisynthetic po ako.
Synthetic medicines have saved a lot of lives.
Yeah.
Okay, surgery, and for example, if it's a car accident, a surgery can save a life. In a situation like that, it's indispensable. But there are many situations where it is, in fact, overprescribed.
Opo, Madam Norma. Actually, I have a reason right now, according to Attorney Fortune, we have a reason right now to sue FDA. So,
And we will.
Yun po yung next na ano po namin, na action po. Now, we will sue FDA. I actually also filed a writ of injunction against the Department of Health. Kasi di ba nakita nyo po, meron po dun sa website nila na lumabas na meron daw pong closure order.
Yeah.
Pero I have not received any closure order.
No, there has been no closure order received.
Wala po ako nare-receive na closure order from them because I'm not under the Department of Health.
They're not under their jurisdiction, so
Ang natural medicine is not part of the Department of Health.
part of PTAC.
It's part of PTAC, okay, which I am accredited with. Naka-accredit po kami sa PTAC. So we are okay po.
But basically, just to give you a little bit of background, folks, what started all these issues is there were 5 presidents of 5 medical societies here in the Philippines. And instead of contacting my wife like they should have, like the Code of Ethics states they should, they complained about her to the Philippine Medical Association, I believe, the PRC, to the Department of Health, the FDA. I I mean, basically, just like cowards. Instead of contacting her with some sort of issue, they make baseless complaints and then forum shop it all over town. Instead of learning why she's so successful, what she does, they're just trying to close her down and close her facility. And I'm sorry, but guys, it's not going to happen.
So, to all the doctors out there, okay, kanina pong morning, I was visited by 6 beautiful doctors from Mindanao. Okay, so they are all welcome here. Thank you po because you are interested. Lahat po ng doktor, lahat po ng interesado sa ginagawa ko, pumunta po kayo dito, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung ano ho ang ginagawa ko. Okay po? Okay. So, dito tayo kay Yaki. Oh, sino pa ba? Hello, Marlene. Hi, Bless.
I want to say hello
Madam
to
Marietta.
Himiko Fujiwara.
Himiko. Hi,
Himiko-san.
Himiko. Jonathan.
Konnichiwa.
Maris. Hello po. Josie. Yeah. Madam Cathy. Madam Lina. Magaling daw yung siton. Ayan. Opo. Maganda po yan. Yung siton po, it's made up of siling labuyo, ginger, at saka virgin coconut oil or, no, I mean olive oil. So, yun po siya. Actually, no, nagpunta po dito yung FDA because, Doktora, bakit ito meron kang eye drops? Nila sa akin. I said, that's food. And they cannot believe it. I said, if you want, I will drink it in front of you. Tapos, hindi na sila kumibo. Because what I give my patient, they're all food. Kaya lahat po ng iniinom ninyo, kahit magkamali po kayo ng inom, mainom nyo po yung MP, mainom nyo yung ano dyan, hindi po kayo mapapaano. Kasi they are all food. Hello, Madam Carmen. Hi, Sir Arnel. Salamat po. Madam Finch. Okay. So, again po, dun po sa mga nahuli. Okay. So, kanina po, nirate po ulit ako ng FDA. Ang sabi po nila is, they said that I did not respond to the 10-day that I was supposed to respond. So they gave me a decision today. Yan po yung sabi nila to close me, to close my lab. So we told them, no, we answered your complaint. This is within the 10 days. So ito po siya. That's within the 10 days.
There you go.
Ayan. So August 6. Okay. They did not listen. They did not even look at they look at it and they did not listen. Sabi po nila.
Completely ignored it.
Ignored it. So we will be filing a case against FDA po.
You guys better get ready, FDA,
So,
because it's on now.
So pasensya na po kayo sa mga patient ko po. I'm so sorry that this is happening. I just want to help. I don't wanna hurt anyone.
No.
I just want to have the freedom, to be able to innovate. Kasi yun naman po ang gusto natin is to be outside the box. Ano po? And while this is happening, I was getting my award from Tambuli Media Award.
Yeah. Imagine while you're getting an award for scientific and medical breakthroughs, you're being rated by 50 officers with the FDA with Armalites and camo, scaring the crap out of these sick people. My God, seriously, guys, really? You had to do that? I come from the military, and I tell you what, our squad, we would have never done something as dumb as that. That was just dumb.
But we laugh at it right now. But when that was happening, my sister-in-law was a trooper. So I would have not done it without her. Kasi po yung mga staff ko po, we are also busy with some of the things that we are doing. And siya po yung naiwan. She's actually a volunteer here in my facility. So wala po siyang she doesn't get any single money. Okay, from me. Yan po. So she's just helping me a lot. So I'm so happy that she's here. My husband is constipated. Ate, bigyan mo siya ng vitamin C. 5 grams, tanggal lahat yan. Ayan. Okay, si Madam Cora, fibroid. Best alternative po is Damong Maria. Damong Maria po. Hi, Miss Chel, welcome. Don Lee from Taiwan. Hello, Mirna from Hong Kong. Yes, umuwi ka na dito. Uwi ka na. So, Ja Amor. Yes, we will continue po. Katulad po nung sinabi ko po sa inyo, the only way that they can silence me is when I'm dead.
Yeah.
So,
The Filipino is worth dying for.
yeah.
The Filipino patient is worth dying
The
for.
sick is worth dying for.
Yeah.
The sick really is worth dying. Hello, Ate Janet. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for supporting me po. Madam Nancy, opo. Jing Hias, yes, Nora, and Bernaldez, Charlene. So, yun lang po. Yes, lalaban po tayo. So, again po, kung sino po ang nakakakilala kay Duterte, nakikiusap po ko sa mga pasyente ko. Please, paki-forward niyo po to sa kanya. Meron po akong letter na sinulat sa kanya. I wrote a letter to him a couple of days ago when this was happening, and I applied for the Department of Health Secretary or FDA, and I said that I'm not gonna receive any single money. Noong una po, it's 1 peso, only 1 peso per annual. But since this happened, I'm not gonna receive any money. Give me 1 year. If you're not satisfied with my performance, I will resign. I will fix the Department of Health. I will fix the services, the health services to the Filipino people. Pinapangako ko po yan. Pag hindi po kayo masaya sa pagiging Department of Health Secretary ko, kung sakaling ma-appoint ako, magre-resign po ako. Yun lang po. Hello po, Sir Joel. Ay, mabuti naman po. Okay, that's it.
Well, hello, Emilu.
Hi, Madam Emilu. Yes, migraine. Madali lang ang migraine. It's only magic oil. Magic oil po siya. Hi, Weng. Hi. Hi, Ma'am Rose. Hi, Novely. Kidney stones. Sampalukan po. That's the best for you. Sampalukan. Again, President Duterte, nakikiusap po ako sa inyo. If you hear me, I wrote a letter to you. Sumulat po ako sa inyo. I want to be the Department of Health Secretary. My intention, I will receive 0 pesos annually. Kung hindi po kayo masaya for 1 year, magre-resign po ako. Okay. Hello, Ma'am Jenny, Ma'am Julie. What to take po for high platelet count? Ginger and garlic. Okay. Hello po, Ma'am Che, Sir Fred, Madam Marilyn. Hyperthyroid. Sa maniwala kayo sa hindi, it's cabbage. Yeah. Okay. Sa high blood po, magic oil. Or kung ayaw mag-magic oil, pwede ko kayo mag-garlic, ginger. Para po sa diabetes, chromium. That's your best. Kidney disease, it's iodine. Para po sa mga mababa yung IQ. Okay? Pinakamaganda po dyan is iodine. Ano po? Prostate, Boston C, the best. Okay? Kung ako lang po ang papipiliin, isa lang ang gagamutin ko, prostate cancer. Yun lang po. Kasi yun po yung pinakamataas ang survival rate po namin. Ano? Halos garantisado naman po, halos umu-okay po silang lahat. Except lang po yung talagang grabing-grabe na. Hello, Sir James. Watching from Davao. Ay, sa Davao, they have the best food sa Davao. And ang tahimik, ang linis. Wow. Yeah, and we will open a clinic there soon, sa Turil po. So, watch out for me, Davao po. Okay po? So, Sir Archie, hello po. For drug addiction, okay. There's a plant, it's called sibat-sibatan. Okay, that's good for you po. Lalo na po dun sa mga patient na may addiction like drugs, alcohol, sigarilyo. So, the best po is sibat-sibatan. Okay? Hi, Sir Nelson. Hi, Clarice. Okay. So,
Clarice.
Hi, Jana. Yan, si Jana, I do not believe. Sabi ng FDA, this is what FDA, told one of my, person. He said that yung akin daw pong FDA person there, hindi daw po niya ginagawa yung supposedly na ginagawa niya. That's not true. I believe with the FDA, kasi I've been fighting with FDA for how many for how many years. Nakikipag-away ako sa kanila. And she was the only one who was able to get through them. So, Jana, I do not believe these people. I believe in you. Hindi ako naniniwala sa kanila. Okay. Madam Lilia, hello po. God bless din po. Madam Maricel, yes.
Hi,
Madam Risi.
Hi, creatinine.
Yan. Hi, creatinine. Again, baking soda. Yan. Yan po ang best friend ninyo. 1/2 teaspoon or 1 teaspoon 3 times a day. Tapos wag po kayong kakain ng prutas. Kasi mataas po yan sa potassium. Kapag mas mataas ang potassium mo, may kidney failure ka, maatake po kayo sa puso. Paktay kayong lahat. Yan. So, yun naninigas ang tiyan.
Ate Bev.
Hi, Ate Bev. Fatty liver, Ate Bev. Vitamin C, Ate Bev. Matagal ko na sinasabi sa iyo yan. Vitamin C lang. Yan lang ang katapat niyan. And garlic. Garlic and ginger. Yan po. Maganda po yan sa fatty liver. Okay. So, hernia po, sir. Naku, I'm so sorry. Kasi ang hernia po, it's a anatomical defect. So, kailangan po ng surgery pagka mga ganyan po. Okay. Nag-thyroidectomy po kayo natanggal. Ang pinakamaganda po dyan, ay hindi na po natin matatanggal yung L-troxin nyo kung total thyroidectomy. Forever na po kayo niyan. But iodine can help. Iodine po. Yes, Madam Estelita. Madam Ednaline, Boston C and vitamin C. Vitamin C, the best for colon cancer.
In fact, regarding colon cancer, while we were out today, wasn't there a stage 4 colon cancer who is now free of detectable cancer?
Yeah.
In fact, he was trying to give a testimonial, but did the police let him give a testimonial? The police blocked him from giving his testimonial today.
Yeah, there was a patient that time when the FDA was reading me. Merong patient na sabi na nagte-testimonial sa kanila na no, I got cured of stage 4 colon cancer, and police blocked him. Anong klase kayong mga tao? I mean, if you're gonna hurt the sick, ako makakalaban ninyo. You should not be hurting the sick.
That doesn't get any lower.
I love the sick so much.
That is low.
That's very, very low. I mean, may sakit yun, stage 4. Ikaw kaya magkaroon ng stage 4. Okay? So, yung baking soda po, lagyan nyo lang po sa water, tapos inumin po ninyo. Ano po? Gallstone, at saka sa mga stones po, sampalukan. That's the best for all the stones. They are known as stone breaker. Okay? Bakit ate? Ayan. Pagka hindi nyo po ako makita, either meron po kasi ako mga lecture, meron po akong kinakausap, so pasensya na po. But I'm here. Nandito lang po ako. And I also you have to give me also time para makagawa din po ko ng mga products. Kasi kung wala po akong products, paano ko po kayo matutulungan? Actually, I have 12 more inventions. Okay, so I have right now 25 inventions. I have 12 more formulations that I will be bringing out. It's for fever, for menstrual cramps, for headache, everything po, for pain, for swelling. So 12 po yung ilalabas ko, 12. You have to put 1-5, yeah, 12. So 12 po na products ang ilalabas ko for the next few days po. So, you have to give me time to, kasi pag nagre-release po ng product, you have to have research. Hindi po pwede na wala kayong research. Kasi pag may nagalit sa inyo, hindi mo mapaliwanag yung kung ano yung iniinom nila, people will be upset. So, it takes time po. Hello po, Madam Felicity from Dubai. Camille.
Carlene Solomon, ask for me personally when you come.
Hi, Jana. Yes, Jana, you should. Sana meron pong yung mga may kakilala po kay Pangulong Duterte. Nakikiusap po ko sa inyo, lalo na po doon sa mga patient po na talaga naman pong natulungan ko. Para nyo na pong awa kung kakilala nyo po siya. Sana po makausap ko po siya. Kasi gustong-gusto ko po talaga maging DOH secretary. Hindi ko po ito pangarap. Pero gusto ko lang po kasi makorek sana, katulad na po yung mga Dengvaxia, ganyan po sana makorek na yon. Kasi lalo na yung sa mga parents, they just want the peace of mind. Kasi hindi nila alam ang gagawin nila eh. And in the US, actually, there's a special court for vaccine-related
The
injuries.
vaccine court, absolutely.
Vaccine court po yun
Because
sa US.
a law was passed back in 1986 in the U.S. where if your child is injured from a vaccine, you cannot actually sue the vaccine manufacturer. They took care of that with a law in Congress. So what one has to do then is you have to file suit against the U.S. government, and it's decided in a special vaccine court. Which conversely, last year there were over 46,000 adverse vaccine reactions in the U.S. And I'm not saying that I'm not saying that we're opposed to vaccinations, but we would simply like someone to show us that A, the vaccine is effective, and B, that it's safe. As long as you show that it's safe and truly effective, no problem.
So, merong special court for the vaccine-related injuries in the US. So, pagka merong mga nagkakaroon ng mga tao na merong injury, so that's where they go to that special court.
Diabetes.
Okay. Diabetes, chromium. Chromium po yan. Yan po yung pinakamaganda sa inyo. And also yung serpentina, syempre maganda po yan. Yung mga mapapait masyado.
And stop eating sugar.
And diet.
And rice.
Yeah, importante po yung diet. If your food is crappy, if what you are putting in your body is not good, then most probably, hindi rin po talaga kayo gagaling. Ano po? Uterine bleeding, it's papaya leaves.
One of the things I want to touch on one more time was with the event that happened today, when you're talking about going to a clinic where so many sick people are just coming looking for relief, and they're looking for hope, they're looking for a chance.
Si A125 already to 6.25. Hello, very good.
When you send 50 armed people here with M16s in full camo, intimidating and scaring these patients, there were people here today crying. People outside literally crying. They were so frightened by all these officers. I mean, and that is, I'm sorry guys, that's despicable. These people are sick. And you're going to send 50 armed people in here to scare these folks? What are you expecting to find? Seriously?
Naiiyak po yung mga patient namin nung kami po ay nire-raid ng FDA. Sana po next time kung magre-raid po ang FDA, I'm not against raiding, you should do it. In fact, nung nandito po si General Bantolo, I even told him, just do your job with the FDA. Sabi ko nga makipag-cooperate lang. Yun lang, you have to be mindful of other people naman. Lalo na yung facility po namin, it's just, people are very, very scared. So, may sakit na nga sila, scared pa sila. So, lalo na kung cooperative naman yung nire-raid ninyo. So,
be mindful.
Kailangan you should be mindful,
Be mindful of the law before you start doing things like that.
But I will answer that again. So next time po na magkikita po ulit tayo in FB Live, I will address everything po ulit kapag na-demanda ko na po sila or kapag may sagot na po sila sa akin.
Honey, the public deserves to know these things. When the government is acting like a bunch of hooligans, the people deserve to know it. You folks want to know these things, don't you? If your government is trying to shut down an outlet where people come to get better, you want to know about that, don't you? And sorry, guys, I'm always going to defend my wife because I believe in what she's doing. And you fight her, you get me as part of the package.
Yeah. So, hi po, Ma'am Fina. Thank you, honey. Hi, Sir James. Yeah. Hello. Okay.
Hello, Grace from
Hi, Miles. Hi, Ma'am Raquel. Hi, Ma'am Marlu. Very dry skin, natural remedies, virgin coconut oil, and olive oil po. Maganda po dyan. Madam Jen, nagda-drop ang blood pressure. Uminom ka ng green tea. So, bumabagsak. Meron po kayong postural hypotension. Green tea is the best for you. Madam Rosie, hello po, Madam Muleta. Sige po, sana po lahat po ng mga patient ko na nakikinig. I promise you, kung ako po magiging DOH secretary, I promise you that I will do my best. I will make the healthcare system here fast. Wala na pong red tape.
Cut the red tape.
The first thing is, aalis ka na lang ng hospital, maghintay ka pa ng 1 day or 2 days, magdi-discharge ka na lang. Okay, magbabayad ka na lang. Yeah, Dr. Hemorrhoids, yes, magkamyas ka, madam. Okay, gawin mong hot seat spot. Yan, okay. I mean, aalis ka na lang sa hospital, magwi-wait ka pa ng 1 day. Hindi na tama yun. Tapos kung yung kumbaga specialization, I'm not opposed to specialization. Okay? Not that much. Not that much. Pero kung hindi ka marunong maggamot ng cough, ay nako, ano pang ginawa mo na maging doktor? Hindi ka dapat maging doktor. Okay? Kung hindi ka marunong gumamot ng cough. Hello po, Ma'am Shay, Ma'am Iris. Hello po from Singapore. Singapore is so beautiful. Yeah. Hey, Ma'am Jan, yes. Ma'am Janetta, ikaw. Dapat puntahan mo. Yes, mag-aano tayo. Hi, Ma'am Wida, Ma'am Lenglo, yeah, from Hong Kong po. Okay, so I only have 5 more minutes before I say goodbye to all of you. So again, we are open. Hindi po kami nagsarado. We will fight the FDA po. So right now, I'm not gonna close. Kahit ano pong mangyari, I will be here po. Kahit ano pong gawin nila sa akin, I still have my hands, I still have my brain. So I will write a lot of books for you po. Kahit ano pong mangyari, I will tell you what I know.
Hey, brother.
Okay. Hi, Bentley, how are you? I've been raided by the FDA. So hi, sis, come here. Your sister is a trooper. She's a trooper. Okay, so while I have been raided, I'm getting my award. Okay.
Yeah, in the middle of getting an award, literally, she's getting this award for the field of scientific and medical breakthroughs. And while she's getting this award, I'm getting a phone call saying the FDA is here with 50 armed men raiding us because we're giving natural medicines to people instead of drugs. You know, the thing is, if they're going to send 50 armed men for natural medicines, I wonder what they would do for drugs. In fact, if anyone can tell me, did Sanofi ever get raided regarding Dengvaxi? And if so, how many armed guys with M16s did they send in there? They probably didn't get raided, did they?
No.
Because it was Zulik Pharmaceuticals? Yeah.
So next is, I have been asked by infertility, ashwagandha. Yan po ang halamang gamot, lalo na po sa mga lalaki. It increases your sperm count by 50%, 30 to 50% within 3 months po, and mobility. Sa cholesterol po, again, ito po yung inaaway ko. Kaya po ko medyo topic po ng the entire medical society. Because I do not believe that cholesterol is a cause of heart attack. Okay? Meron po mga research, this research about the cholesterol, that was in 1995 dito po sa France, where they studied all the women who has a cholesterol level of more than 250 milligrams per deciliter. They live longer, they are healthier, sexier, mas matalino po sila. And there have been a lot of research about cholesterol that says that they are very good for us. Our brain is made up of cholesterol. In fact, if you eat food that are zero cholesterol, your body will make its own cholesterol because it's needed for repair. So, yung outdated na study na po na yan about cholesterol, that's in 1940s. And this was done by Anselkis. Okay. And there are some literature that says that this is one of the biggest sham in the medical community. So that's why I do not believe in cholesterol. I encourage cholesterol. Hello, JC.
What's up, Ollie?
Hi, Ollie. Hi, Ollie. I miss you, Ollie. Yeah. Hashimoto's. Okay. Hashimoto's, it's an autoimmune disease. Okay. So the best there is vitamin C. Always, if you have an autoimmune disease, vitamin C is your best product that you should be taking in. Thank you po, Madam Jasmine. Thank you po. Ma'am Rose. Sis, kidney sis, it's iodine po. Okay? Okay, nasal polyps po, you do flushing. Usually, I advise my patient to do flushing with saline solution. Okay? Thank you po for praying for me. Again, for those patients, we are open 24/7. We're the only facility in the world which is open 24/7 as an outpatient facility that we know of. Yeah, 24/7. I have been rated by the FDA because they said that I did not answer back within 10 days, which is not true.
Not true.
I answered back, and my next recourse is to sue FDA. So I'm still open. And for my patient, don't worry about me. I just need your prayers.
Yep.
Again, I ask for you to please tell President Duterte that I wrote him a letter and it was received by Secretary Bongo. I hope that he will look at it and that I'm applying for the Department of Health Secretary and I will receive 0 salary. And if he is not satisfied with me for 1 year, I am willing to resign. I will fix the Department of Health, also with those patients who have been injured by Dengvaxia. And I'm planning a lot of things. I will be releasing 12 new products. So it will undergo again scrutiny from FDA, and I will always fight FDA.
Always.
Ito po, what's happening with me with FDA has been happening for a long time, even when my dad was still alive. So when my dad was still alive, FDA is already on my tail, and it's still on my tail right now. So huwag po kayong mag-alala. Lagi naman po nangyayari yan. Skin asthma, magic oil po sa inyo. For varicose veins, maganda po dyan is calcium. Maganda po siya is calcium phosphates and calcium sulfates po. For diabetic retinopathy po, you have to fix your diabetes first. Okay? So, sige, 2 more minutes, 5 more minutes, okay, para sa ano po. Okay, for mitral valve regurgitation, sa mga ganyan po, we need surgical intervention. But if you want to stop kasi maraming symptoms yan you have so many symptoms aggravating, the best there is garlic, ginger, vitamin C again. So, it's all available. Yun lang, yung vitamin C has to be at a high dosage, around 5 grams. Yes, 15-year-old can take vitamin C, okay? I have a lot of testimonial with diabetes. I'm the only doctor in the world who gives money back guarantee on diabetic patient and hypertensive patient po. So you try me and I will help you po. This is without the use of synthetic medications. Hello, Direk! Gawa na tayo ng ating docu-series. So I'm working with Direk June because I want to make a docu-series about chemotherapy, radiation, and surgery. So, and about natural medicine. So, Direk, punta ka dito ulit, nami-miss na kita. I missed you, Direk. Okay. Madam Angie, for liver cirrhosis, vitamin C, and herbs is garlic. Always garlic. Oh, thank you po for the prayers. Sir Antonio, thank you po. Madam Sivira.
Yes, actually, as far as Dr. Dora's book is concerned, it's in National Bookstore.
Yeah, my book is in National Bookstore right now.
Or you could private message our staff and they could get it taken care of for you as well.
Yeah, so that's my first book. My second book is for the doctors, the Green Book of Natural Medicine. Tina Cruris po.
Mega doses of vitamin C.
Yeah, mega doses of vitamin C, around 5 grams po, up until 100 grams. Sometimes po, wala po siyang, ang side effect lang niya magpupupo, but it's okay. Thank you po, Madam Marlene, for your prayers. Yes, yes, Madam Cherry. Ilang rate po ang survival ng gallbladder cancer stage 4? Nako, mababa po ang gallbladder. It has a very low survivability rate. Some of them, if I'm not mistaken, around 5%, 3 to 5% lang po, mababa lang po siya.
Vaccine.
Okay. Dengvaxia vaccine po, what to do? First thing foremost is that you have to take in vitamin C because vitamin C, that's your chelator. It's a chelator. It removes the toxins na nakuha po natin and it enhances our immune system. Yun lang, it has to be at a high dose. Okay, usually ang sinasabi ko po sa patient around 5 grams para po tumai ang mga patient. Okay, and glutathione. Okay, glutathione is the mother of all antioxidants. Okay, okay, but
intravenous only.
Well, the problem with glutathione kasi sometimes hindi rin siya masyado na-absorb ng katawan. But it's one of the, and your body makes glutathione. So it's also okay. Siguro yung may mga naririnig lang kayo na may mga problem sa liver or dahil nagkakaroon ng problem sa liver. I think siguro yung sa ano lang yan sa quality ng glutathione. Nako, I think there's no replacement for dialysis. Once you have a dialysis, but I have several patients who are on dialysis who stop dialysis. So, and they are okay. Oh, marami po akong patient na nag-stop po sila, okay po sila. Yeah. Meron po akong mga patient, I'm not joking. Okay? Psoriatic arthritis, again, magic oil, that's the best for you. Okay. Thank you po, Madam Annabelle. Jing Hias, yes, dialysis patient, again, baking soda, yun po yung best friend nyo. Constipated, vitamin C, 5 grams to 10 grams per day. Okay. Hello, Viviana. Saan ka na? Dali ka na dito. Okay. So, bakit hindi kayo? No, ako po ang nag-a-attend. Okay, sandali. So, meron pong mga patient na nagtatanong na hindi daw po ako nag-a-attend sa mga patient. Hindi po totoo yun. Nag-a-attend po ako sa patient. Ayun lang po, you have to give me time kasi ako po, I'm the head researcher and scientist of my facility. Ako lang po ang researcher and scientist. So kung hindi po ako magde-develop po ng mga products, hindi ko po matutulungan kayong lahat. Okay po? So, I'm so sorry that I cannot give you 24 hours of my time because I also have to take care of my children. I have 3 children po. I'm also a wife. I'm also a scientist, I'm also a doctor, I'm also an environmentalist, and I'm a writer din po. So I'm an author. So marami po akong mga sinusulat na libro. And I study my Bible every day. So you have to give me time to pray also for the sick. Because I think the best thing that we can do is to pray for the sick. Lahat po yan pinapanalangin po natin. Okay. Chromium, clarify, chromium. Ang chromium po, you can buy here. I have my own formulation of chromium. It's called the RFCP. It's 1 cc 3 times a day, or you can buy chromium outside. It's 200 micrograms 3 times a day. Yes, you can get it in healthy options. Okay. Yung knee swelling po, you can use cabbage. Opo, cabbage. Ang gawin nyo lang po, medyo painitan nyo po siya, lagyan nyo po ng coconut oil, and then you can put it on places that are swollen. Cabbage. And it's better than synthetic medicine. Okay.
What kind of vitamin C?
Vitamin C, ako po, for my vitamin C, it's ascorbic acid. Tapos sabi niya, yung pwede sa acidic, sometimes meron pong sodium ascorbate, potassium ascorbate, but for me po, ang ginagamit ko is ascorbic acid. Okay. So, 3 more minutes, last, okay. How about lymph nodes in the neck? Okay, Boston C can help po. I actually had the testimonial this day. Alam niyo, ang ganda-ganda ng morning ko. My morning was so nice.
It was beautiful.
It was so beautiful. I had a testimonial of a diabetic foot. I have a testimonial of lymphoma. And then I had these 6 wonderful doctors from Mindanao who came and visited me. And then I got an award. Oh, thank you. I got an award. And then when my sister-in-law was telling me I was getting my award, on the time that I was getting my award, raid. I was being raided by the FDA, and I was like, oh my gosh.
Again,
and
an award for scientific and medical breakthroughs and philanthropic community service.
Yeah, actually it's a joke. For me, I thought it was a joke that the FDA was here.
It was a joke.
But it wasn't a joke. I thought it was, oh my God, nag-joke ba talaga kayo? No, it's not. They are here. And they have 50, they have 50 officers trying to raid me. And I was like, oh my God, I just had an award that tells me that I'm doing something nice. And then I get something from FDA trying to close me. But the fight is not yet over.
And we're not closed. So patients who are coming tonight, tomorrow, next week, feel free to come. Our doctors will see you. You will be seen, you know, for free. Again, one of the biggest things that my wife's peers don't like about her is every patient, every consult, every exam, every doctor's visit is always free.
It's always free po.
No one is ever compelled to ever spend a single peso here, and you don't have to.
Okay, so next, okay. So we have to go now. Okay.
Give them a couple more minutes.
Okay, 2 more minutes. Okay. Yes, we will not let the
warm lemon juice every morning is perfectly fine, right?
Skin allergy again, magic oil. Salamat po, Madam Tata. Sir Tata, yan. Madam Cheat, hello po. Yes, pwede po kayong mag-take ng baking soda habang nag-undergo po kayo.
Hypothyroid, Mama.
Hello, Sir Jeray. Sir or Madam? Sorry po. Rosie, Erwin. Okay po. Yes. Shiri, Madam
Our clinic is not closed.
Okay.
Samhek Davidel
Hindi
Habaraka.
po, we are open 24/7. I'm the only facility in the Philippines that I know that that is open 24/7 for outpatient.
Don't believe the fake news.
Okay. Hello po, Madam Dulce. Yes po, Madam Miles. Okay, pagka sa breast cysts po, iodine po, yun po yung pinakamaganda. Colon cancer po, Boston C and vitamin C po, that's the best. Yung mga medicine ko po, meron pong affordable. Meron naman pong expensive. Ano po? And that depends on where you get the raw materials.
Correct.
Because the raw materials has to be, you have to import it. Kinukuha pa po siya sa ibang bansa.
Unfortunately, not everything is available here that my wife uses, and so the caliber of raw materials that we have to get often are very exotic and have to come from first world countries. And then that's very expensive, A, to buy, B, to ship, and C, to get through customs.
Import, tapos may mga customs pa po kasi yan.
So these are all terrible expenses. But the thing is, that's the price that we have to pay to make the best products in the world. Because we believe my wife's patients deserve the absolute best that we can do for them, period.
Yes.
We will not cut corners.
Yeah, thank you, Madam Therese.
In fact, as much as the peso has been dipping, have you increased prices for anything, Mom?
No. My supplier for my vitamin C has increased 5 times already on me. 5 beses na po niya akong tinaasan, pero hindi pa po ako nagtataas ng vitamin C. Kasi as far as I know, I want to absorb.
You want to absorb the expense.
Pero as far as I can do it, maski po yung mga product ko, I have never increased all of it. Pero lahat po ng raw materials ko, they increased the price already. So I'm so sorry po na it's not that cheap.
We hear it all the time. People say, "Oh yeah, sure, you guys have free consultations, but the medicines are so expensive." Well, okay, they might be expensive, but guess what? They're effective. You know, so what is the price tag you want to put on your health? I'm sorry they're expensive. Raw materials are terribly expensive. You know, we're doing the best we can for you.
Yeah, taga Baguio, because I'm from Baguio. Yeah, nag-aral po ako sa St. Louis University.
St. Louis University.
Yan, kaso galing po sila sa akin.
College of Natural Medicine?
No, the College of Natural Science.
College of Natural Science.
Galit sila sa akin ngayon doon. Yeah. Ano po kayo magalit sa akin kasi I'm just fighting for my patient. Doon po sa mga kaklase ko po, doon po sa mga kakilala ko, sana po huwag naman po kayo magalit sa akin. It's just because I chose a different path.
Thank you, Rowena.
Yeah, it's just because I chose a different path. Hindi naman po ibig sabihin na magkakaaway tayo. Ano po? I just wanted something different for my patient. Ano po, hindi ko po kayo kinakaaway, wala po akong gustong kaaway sa inyo, lahat po gusto ko po friends. Ano po, kaya nga po hindi po ako nakikipag-away pag kasi President Duterte na po ang pinag-uusapan. Okay, kasi meron po sa inyo ayaw siya. Ako naman po, meron din naman po sa inyo gusto. Okay, ako po, gusto ko lang po magkaisa tayo as a Filipino. Ano, yun lang po ang gusto ko, regardless of what our political inclinations are. Either galit tayo kay Duterte, gusto natin si Duterte. But in the end, we have to work as one kasi we are Filipinos. Ano po?
There's much more that joins us than should ever be separating.
Yes. Kasi tama na yung pagkakahati-hati natin. Ano po. Kaya nga po kami, ako po, nakikipag-cooperate po ako sa FDA. Ano po. Hindi po ko, wala po akong balak na makipag-away sa FDA. Yun lang po, syempre kapag ang ginagawa, honey, you're so handsome, oh, they said, love, faith, and hope. Oh.
One thing that everybody will notice here, my wife, she's aging like a fine wine.
Mm-hmm.
Me, I'm aging like milk.
Sir Gerard, yeah. Sir Gerard, hintayin mo yung testimonial ko today. I have a testimonial today about a lymphoma patient. Hello, Ma'am Edith from Hong Kong po. I have a testimonial.
Hey, Direct.
Yeah,
The ABS-CBN wants to interview you. That's
yes,
great.
sige nga, Direct.
Would love that.
Oo, sige na. Kasi, you know, I just wanna follow. Ayoko naman nakikipag-away. Gusto ko bati-bati lahat. Ano? Sino ba naman ang gustong maharas ka ng FDA dito? Ano? Actually, they said that my LTO has been revoked permanently.
Permanently revoked.
Yun ang sabi nila. So, but we're still fighting kasi yun nga, katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo, we answered. Nag-answer naman kami.
They claim we never answered. That is a lie.
So, sabi nila, hindi daw ako nag-answer within 10 days. So, pinapakita namin to sa kanila sa FDA, ayaw nila makinig. They did not want to listen to what we have to say.
I think we have one of the best attorneys in the country. Attorney Sig Fortune. And Attorney Sig Fortune is on this.
Yeah. So, sa inyo po mga patient ko, again, sana po maipahayag po niyo ito kay Pangulong Duterte.
Thank you, Love, Faith, Hope. Handsome husband, Doc. You are correct, Love, Faith, Hope. Thank you very much. You should tell me that more. Huh? You should tell me that more, Mom.
Yes. So, I'll kiss you.
That's better.
You know, my husband is because if it was me, ayoko na eh. You know, if it was me, I would not wanna fight anymore. Pero my husband is the one who's fighting for me. So I love my husband so much kasi he's my strength. Literally, he's my strength. So salamat kay Lord because of my husband. Thank you, Lord, because of my husband. Yes. For Joy, Mayoma. Okay, Mayoma, you can use what? Mayoma first. For Mayoma, yeah, you can use the Mong Maria. Now for asthma, okay, your best is magic oil. I'm telling you right now, magic oil, it's available here. It's made up of magnesium. You can nebulize it. Pwede nyo siyang ipang nebulize. Wala po siyang side effect na nakikita nyo sa salbutamol.
That's right, Norma. Make love, not war. Watching from
Pwede
Sydney.
mo siyang inumin.
Good day, Edith.
Yeah. Madam Edith, yeah, Edita Martin, yeah. For PCOS, okay, Damong Maria, for PCOS.
Hello in New York City.
And foot and mouth disease, Boston C.
Native New Yorker.
Boston C, okay. Sir Jack Isanit, yeah. I miss you too, Madam Joy. Yes. Sumampa ka, yes. From Doha, went there, just became low hemoglobin. Is it okay to take Boston C? Yes. Pagka mababa po yung hemoglobin po ninyo, okay, it's anemia. Okay, there are several types of anemia. Ano, hindi lang po iron deficiency anemia. Meron pong vitamin B12, folic acid anemia. So, pagka hindi po yan iron deficiency anemia, hindi po kayo gagaling kung take kayo ng iron. Okay? So, meron po kayo maganda po dyan, brewer's yeast, pag may anemia po kayo because it's rich in vitamin B12 and B9. Okay? Hello, Ma'am Nancy, Ma'am Maricel. Constipation, vitamin C. Ang daming constipated dito, vitamin C. Okay? I love you too, Madam Susan. Yes. Yes. Thank you po, Madam Norma, for the support. I really appreciate it po.
That's right, Joseph.
Chari, yeah.
You know?
Yeah. But for me, I just want equality. Equality from the DOH, from the FDA. Equality lang dapat katulad ko. Alam nyo, no, this is I have forgotten kasi I went to a press con also. And we were talking about Dengvaxia. And it took, you know how many months it took Dengvaxia to be approved? The
Exactly.
CPR.
8 months?
If I'm not mistaken, it's around 6 months to 8 months.
But how long is it supposed to take?
It's supposed to take around 3 years for it to be approved.
So why was it rushed?
So, yan. Ako po, nag-a-apply po ako ng CPR ko for Boston Sea. I've been applying this for years.
Years.
Opo. Napapaso na lang po ng napapaso yung aking DOST, yung aking stability testing. Hindi na po niya. Medyo nakakapanghinayang na po, but I'm trying to keep my,
We've been told on many occasions that Boston Sea is a very political issue at FDA. My question is, why is it a political issue? Is it maybe because so many people get better?
Magnesium po is good for insomnia. Okay? Hope to see you in person, Sir Joseph. Yeah, Madam Lani, again, high blood, diabetes, chromium, high blood, magnesium. Okay. Sige nga, Madam Marlo, mag-volunteer ka. Halika dito, punta ka dito, Madam Marlo, ha? Okay. Hello po, Sir June from Cebu City. Yan po yung next na pupuntahan ko, Cebu po. Okay? Okay. Sa Ubo, Ma'am Annalyn, Siling Labuyo.
Maylan Banton, I see you from Toronto.
Siling Labuyo. Okay. Fatty liver, vitamin C again.
Lumbar
Okay.
spondylosis?
Sige. Lumbar spondylosis, chiropractic po yan. Magpa-chiro po kayo. Yan. Varicose veins, that's calcium sulfate.
Hi, thank you. You have a handsome husband, Doug. Thank you.
He's the most handsome man in my life. Hello po, Sir Wilson from Jeddah. Okay, 2 minutes na lang po. I have to say goodbye to all of you. Ira-wrap up ko lang po. Hello, Auntie. So I was raided by the FDA today. Ang sabi po nila is I do not have my, I did not answer them within the 10 days. That's not true. I answered them. Meron po pong pruweba na in-answer ko po sila. Yun lang, they would not accept my explanation.
Lung cancer, that's very involved. It has to come here and consult with one of our physicians.
Yes po. Yes, congestive heart failure. Marami po akong testimonial ng CHF po. Kayang-kaya ko po ang CHF. Thank you po, Madam Claire. How can you find a supportive husband like mine? Nako, nag-iisa lang. But he has a brother. Okay? His brother is watching right now. Bentley! Okay, so he has a brother. Thank you po, Madam Odessa. Sir Roger, again, vitamin C for constipation. Mayama po, Damang Maria. Okay po. Sana po lahat po ng katanungan niyo po nasagot ko po ngayon. Salamat po sa suporta na pinapakita niyo po sa akin. Again, nakikiusap po ako sa mga pasyente ko, lahat po ng natulungan ko. Lahat po ng naniniwala sa akin, kung pwede po, pakisabi lang po kay Pangulong Duterte na nag-apply po ako na as a Department of Health.
Lupus.
Opo. Nag-apply po ako as a Department of Health Secretary. Sana po mapansin po niya. And I promise po, aayusin ko po ang ating healthcare system. I will not accept any payment po kung ako po ay matatanggap. Ano po?
Lupus.
Salamat po sa inyo. Again, lupus, meron pong ano dyan, that's Boston Sea and vitamin C po. Maganda po yan sa inyo.
Dietary modifications.
And dietary modifications. Okay. Thank you po, Madam. Salamat po. That's it.
All right, well, thank you everybody for watching, Mama.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting, guys. And just remember, we're not closing. We're not going anywhere. And these guys came to us looking for a fight, and they found one. So, in fact, Mama.
Okay.
We'll see you guys next time.
Ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.